Hello Adarsh, hello Meena. Congratulations on being selected as speakers for the Global Testing Retreat by Agile Testing Alliance. And I would request you guys to please introduce yourself.
Thanks, Pallavi. Appreciate that our paper has got selected, so we're pretty thrilled about it. I'm Adish Apte. We are me and Meena Malu, we are part of a group called NWOW, New Ways of Working within LTI.
Okay.
It's an horizontal practice, invested for helping digital transformations for our clients through our delivery teams.
Okay. Great. Good
Um,
to know about that.
yeah.
And the topic which has been selected is the AI ML NLP for delivering step improvement in software testing. Would you please like to briefly tell us what audience can expect from it?
Yeah. So if you look at let me start with a quote by Isaac Newton, who once
Mm-hmm.
said that if I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. So
Okay.
essentially, knowledge is power, knowledge is productivity, and knowledge is profits. As part of this paper presentation, you'll hear more about knowledge fabric and how it can help empower software testers with smarter testing. Okay, so in this
Okay.
paper, as we unfold the concept called knowledge fabric, which is fairly straightforward, but we'll be answering 4 questions: why AI in software testing?
Mm-hmm.
What have we really implemented in AI software testing? So what use cases are there out there that we've implemented?
Mm-hmm.
How is it differentiating? Yeah, and finally, what are the benefits that are being delivered and can be delivered, because it's a growing
Okay.
field.
Okay, okay, sure. So I have a question in here. In the paper, it's mentioned that the SDLC is a very big data point in which AI techniques can be implemented. So
Correct.
from your talk, can the audience also take some practical takeaways which they can, use in their projects following the SDLC model and, gather the same benefits using AI which you have been experiencing?
So I'll answer it in 2 parts.
Sure.
One part is where we are investing in creating this knowledge fabric.
Okay.
So that is something which a lot of our use cases are based. Yeah, and
Okay.
that is, we are investing significant time, effort in getting that done. So
Mm-hmm.
that part is something which will take time to build. But the second part, where there are lots of use cases which we've defined,
Okay.
which really don't need a knowledge fabric, those can be immediately implemented. So all what we are
Okay.
talking is very practical. There is nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a very practical way of looking at, and we are all practitioners. Both, in fact, Meena is a
Sure.
software testing specialist
Mm-hmm.
there. So so these are all. This is a very practitioner's paper.
Okay. That's awesome. So I'm sure the audience would really benefit and learn more about this area and how they can implement it in their projects. Thank you so
Yes.
much for joining us and for your time for this
Before,
video interview series. Yeah, go
yeah,
ahead, please.
and Pallavi, can I also, Meena, have I missed anything that you want to add as part of this paper presentation?
Yeah, Meena, please.
No, Adish, you have covered just one point I would like to add on top of it. I mean, how the software testers or the testing industry can take away. So
Mm-hmm.
till the time we are doing automation, which was, a mantra, kind of a mantra to speed up, to uh, I mean, enrich your coverage and everything. But this paper is slightly different. I would say a different thought process,
Right.
and I'm sure. I mean, they will surely get a takeaway from this, and they can implement, those techniques as Adish has mentioned.
Yeah, so Adarsh has quoted Isaac Newton. I really agree to that, that on standing the shoulders of giants and on with your help, Meena and Adarsh, I'm sure people would be able to look beyond
Forward.
automation and go through,
Yes.
so many upcoming things and use it in their day-to-day lives. So thank you so much for your time. And we look forward to your talk on 11th December at the GTR. Thank you so much, Adarsh. Thanks, Meena.